What's up, Dogecoin holder? Dogecoin holders, the price were fails down from 0.2 USD dollar to, you can see here, 0.21 USD dollar. So it's in very badly fails down. You can see my pen here is the price is 0.25 and here is 0.21. So that's a very bad news for all of you, my friends. To in those days, just in only last 7 days, the price were decreased. Now you can see here minus 11.88% the price is decreased now. So therefore I will notify you, kindly holder, if you will need to earn, my friends, do this. Definitely you will need to do this, otherwise you will be lost now. So kindly, my friends, you will need to do this. And definitely if you just only do this, so I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, to you will earn a lot of money from crypto. My brother, as you can see at this time, the circulation was clearly told you, my friends, to after a short dump, definitely every coin will pump up, but not like that. So kindly try to understand, my friends, to why not like that. My friends, sometimes a holders are doing very huge mistake to they are starting selling, but definitely this is a very bad now. Because, my brother, everybody knows this, to after a short dump every coin will pump up. So therefore kindly holders, you will need, my friends, to do something different, not like that, otherwise we will all go and die. My friends, especially when the price will starting increasing, when a price will starting pumping, so definitely that's all need, my friends, to hold now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next time.